medical misinformation is everywhere. Dr. Mitch is here for straight talk and to give you the truth.
This will be the first on a series of why we lose hair and then eventually how we can correct that issue. One of the first reasons, which most know, is genetics. Family history of hair loss can definitely increase your chances of experiencing hair loss as well. There's also the hormonal changes, and if we don't watch hormonal changes in either way, these imbalances such as those that occur during pregnancy or menopause or thyroid disorders can lead to hair loss. Too much of hormones and too little of hormones on both sides can create a hair loss situation. Hey, I'm Dr. Mitch Ghen, and thank you for joining me on this new series about what causes, what we can do about, and what are some of the natural things that we can do that will maintain our hair healthy and youthful as possible. Now, of course, there are medical conditions, certain medical conditions like alopecia, scalp infections, autoimmune diseases, fungal infections, things of this nature can cause hair loss. There's even medications that can do that, such as those used obviously for cancer treatment. Even high blood pressure medicines or depression can cause hair loss as a side effect. That's right. Being depressed or being anxious, stress basically, as we know, is a cause of so many different disorders. It can also cause significant problems with hair loss as well. High levels of stress, it will change the growth cycle and can temporarily or occasionally permanently lose hair. Now, yes, there are nutritional deficiencies that we should be aware of, such a lack of essential nutrients such as iron or zinc or vitamin D can also contribute to hair loss. And then what we do, the physical damage, the hairstyling practices, using excessive heat styling tools or harsh chemical treatments or pulling ponytails real tight or putting your hair in other things that damage the hair and cause the hair to fall out. We also should be aware that there's something that goes along with the aging process. And as we age, our hair naturally becomes thinner and more prone to falling out too. And if you don't keep your scalp healthy, well, an unhealthy scalp can lead to hair loss too. And this is caused by any of the conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, dermatitis, often caused by not washing the scalp enough to remove the excess hormones that are often there in the scalp that can lend itself to the loss of hair. Also, sudden weight loss or rapid weight loss or crash diets, any of that can trigger hair loss due to the nutritional deficiencies. With that in mind, our next insert to this particular hair loss protocol will be talking about some of the things that we can look at from a diagnostic perspective. And finally, we'll go ahead and look at, well, what are the things that we can do both medically, if any, and naturally to prevent hair loss and keep our hairs effectively healthy for as long as possible. Is it possible? Oh yeah, it is. And hopefully you'll join us for that too. Thanks again for joining me. I'm Dr. Mitch Ghen. You can always get more information by going to Dr. Mitch Ghen. That's DrMitchGhen.com. Again, thanks for watching.